Hi, I'm Eleanor from MotorMatters with Levtrade and Burnshield.
Whatever vehicle you may be driving, first aid is that emergency care that people get in that situation. Now, a REG 7 first aid kit in your car could just be where you can help a person, whether it's just to fix a small injury or whether it is actually that critical care they may need until emergency services can arrive to save their life. If you unfortunately come across an accident where you suspect broken limbs or something like that, you happen to have your REG 7 first aid kit just here in the car, well, you can help out somebody who's in that emergency situation. Now, if you do suspect fractures or broken bones, the best thing you could possibly ever have are these splints. Very simple, very easy, and you just simply put them on the limb to hold it in place. Then you grab, of course, one of your bandages and you wrap it round in order to make it nice and tight and keep it in place, because immobilizing that fractured limb is what will make all the difference until emergency services arrive.